the 8. It's a grade 2 and the gate for the TwinSpires.com Fairgrounds Oaks. And they're off. A door broke sharp. Stage play. Here's Midnight on Oconee going out toward the lead, taken back Northwest Tail, and Street Fancy comes up on the outside as they make their way toward the first turn, being led by Midnight on Oconee. Midnight on Oconee, the leader for James Graham, in front of the outside Adore, who tracks the leader as they round the first turn. Northwest Tail is keying up the inside, taking a hold of there to settle in third, with on the outside Street Fancy in fourth with just over 6 furlongs to go. Stage play, fifth after a sharp start. Then Land Oversea in the purple cap. We come back then to Dream Dance and the Rachel Alexandra champion, Venus Valentine, running in eighth. The quarter was 23 and 4/5 seconds. They have 5 furlongs to go. It's Midnight on Oconee, who dictates the field, with Adore second and keeping tabs on the leader. Midnight on Oconee continues to lead them. At the inside, Northwest Tail ground saving third. Street Fancy in fourth. Stage play is 5 from the leader in fifth. Land Oversea coming up deep out into the track there for Johnny Velasquez, but gaining with 3 furlongs to go. Then nearest the inside is Dream Dance. We trail back to Venus Valentine. The half mile was 47 and 3/5 seconds. Now the battle line's drawn. It's Adore who's forged in front of Midnight on Oconee, needs to kick back. Land Oversea looms for Adore as they come to the top of the stretch. A quarter to go in the Fairgrounds Oaks. 3/4 1 to 12 and 3/5 seconds. It's Adore. Adore's in front of Land Oversea, who's been fully stretched. Coming down to the final furlong. Adore leads by a length and a half. Land Oversea in a battling effort, and it's Land Oversea charging late down Adore through this daunting fairground stretch. Land Oversea finding more and coming clear for John Velasquez. Land Oversea it will be, won by 5. Dream Dance on the line for second from Adore. Then Northwest Tail, Venus Valentine stage play. Midnight on Oconee, and last home was Street Fancy in eighth.